If you're feeling lost, waking up with no direction, questioning your purpose, you're not alone. Even the greatest minds in history, emperors, philosophers, warriors, felt this way, but they found clarity in Stoicism. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his journal, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work, as a human being." He reminded himself every day of his purpose, not because he was weak, but because he understood. Purpose is a daily decision. When you feel lost, the Stoics would say, start small. You don't need to know your full path. You just need to take one step forward. You don't need all the answers. Just ask, what is the right thing to do now? So how do you stay calm in chaos? First, accept what is outside your control. People, events, opinions. You can't control them. Don't waste your energy trying. Epictetus said, "It's not things that upset us, but our judgment about things." Feeling lost doesn't mean you've failed. It means you're human. But here's what separates the Stoic from the average man. He keeps going. He works with what he has. He doesn't wait for motivation. He builds momentum. Epictetus taught, don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. Don't wait to feel ready. Start doing the things that matter, even if it feels small. Take care of your body. Organize your space. Speak the truth. Control your reactions. This is how the fog begins to clear. When you feel directionless, stop asking what the world owes you. Ask, what kind of person am I trying to become? Because once you define that, every action becomes meaningful. Every choice becomes progress. You will still feel doubt. You will still feel lost sometimes. But a Stoic learns to move forward anyway. To take action without emotion. To think clearly. Not react quickly. To accept the pain, but not be ruled by it. The Stoic path is not loud. It's quiet, deliberate, daily. So if you're lost right now, remember, you are not broken. You are becoming. Every moment is a test, and every test is a chance to grow, to discipline yourself, to choose who you will become. This is how the Stoics found their way, and so will you. Welcome to Stoic State.